Hey guys, this is the template I would like for you to use to do your caged bird vocabulary. There are 25 slides that I've asked you to be familiar with, so what you're going to do is create 25 of these to practice the vocabulary. So let's just go through the parts real quick. Right here is where you put the word that you're focusing on. You will define it, write a sentence using the word correctly. Tell me what part of speech. So is it a noun, a participle, is it an adjective? What is it? Tell me a synonym and an antonym. Yes, you may use the internet. I suggest dictionary.com to do this part. And then last, you will find an image that correlates to that term. So copy and paste here. Obviously nothing too graphic or obscene. And so you'll do this for each of the 25 words. All right, if you have trouble or if you have concerns about completing this, please let me know and I will walk you through it. Otherwise, it is all up to you. Good luck. Bye.